What's up guys, Kevin with Nia Auto Design here, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of your VIN number for your paint code. So a paint code is basically characters that will define a paint code. For example, here we have 212, which is obsidian black. Here we have 37J, which is whiteout. Now, each paint code varies by year and location that it's painted. So some vehicles are assembled in Mexico, some are here in the US, some are in Canada, etc., etc., etc. Every paint code has a variation. Each one has an average about 5 variations. Now, the VIN number tells you exactly where that car was built and the year. So with the VIN number, you can actually get the variation that you need for a better color match. If you guys have any questions, comment below. We'll always get back to you guys. Thank you again.